Boom shakalaka, 3 of the worst charts for Bitcoin and 1 exceptional one for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including some very bad Bitcoin charts and 1 great one for altcoins. Before we get into it guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed 40, same as we were yesterday and last week. The overall market, go figure, sideways. Bitcoin at 25,842, Ethereum at 1624, BNB at 213, XRP 50 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Cardano 24 cents, Solana $18, and Tron 7 cents. And Bitcoin in this little wedge right here, bound to break out by October 10th. But you can maybe see it's kind of small right here, but the yellow and orange lines right here, the 50 and 200 day moving averages, are about to cross. Now these 3 bar patterns, the yellow, the blue, and the red, are the last 3 times we had a cross of those 50 and 200 day moving averages. Now, in 2 or 3 times, Bitcoin price went up. But if you can see here, in the immediate future after it happens, Bitcoin price actually goes down anywhere from what would be $22,500 to $20,000. So beware of that in the very near future. That being said, it did not take long. At most, based on this red one, it took roughly about a month for prices to get back to the levels they were trading at before. Now the red continued down, the other 2 continued up. This one, potentially $200,000+ Bitcoin by the end of 2024, based on that. But there are some very bad charts for Bitcoin recently. The alpha trend right here, the 5-day alpha trend, just printed a fresh sell signal. Now, at first, this seems like a bad thing. These sell signals have come at every major cycle top. You can see the top in 2017, in 2021, and in 2013. But for 2 of the last 3 sell cycles, these actually came at the early first top, which was in fact much closer to the bottom than it was to the top. So could we have an early top already over? I think a lot of people are of that similar opinion. One more bad chart for Bitcoin. Based on Steve's 5.3 Bitcoin theory, the next top would only be $77,000. That kind of sucks considering the last top was $70,000. So what, 4 years of agony and we get an extra $7,000 per Bitcoin? That sucks. I quit. But that may happen. But it also may not happen. Now, if we take a look right now, despite the crosses of the 50 and 200 day moving average, Bitcoin is in a diamond consolidation pattern right now. In 2020, when we had a diamond consolidation pattern, this launched Bitcoin price. So could it happen again? Well, we are at the launch point for Bitcoin in the consolidation pattern. We'll kind of have to see. Also right here, the bottom is in, and based on this ASO crosses, this is the point when generally the beginning of the parabolic phase begins for Bitcoin. We have the cross right down here that says next phase in the books. Let's go to much higher prices. As a matter of fact, based on the stochastic percent D, you have not yet missed the best accumulation phase. Now, if the price goes down, clearly you didn't miss the best accumulation phase. But even where it is right now, Bitcoin is just passing the midband on the stochastic percent D. Each historic time this happened, you still had a long way to go until the top. And I think a lot of people are like, yeah, of course we have a long way to go until the top. That's how it feels right now. But we're in the stagnation phase, just a matter of time. Now, the parallel trend lines for Bitcoin, we have been getting rejected from this trend line, which was basically where Bitcoin had a bit of resistance right at $20,000 before it broke through to $70,000 in the last cycle. This is a difficult area to break. This was the mid-cycle top based on these parallel trend lines in 2019. Again, could be the mid-cycle top here. Might have to retrace a little bit before coming back down. If we were to go all the way back down, that line right now, roughly around $20,000. So going lower than that would be unlikely. But the higher end of that, oh, look at this, $77,000. How terrible would that be? Now, it may be all bad news for Bitcoin today, especially when we take a look at this chart. Is Bitcoin season ending soon? Since early 2021, 4 times out of 6, the Gaussian channel turned red. Bitcoin dominance dropped significantly. So we can see here a drop, a drop, a drop, ooh, a little pump, a drop, and then a pump. Well, We just had it turn red again in August. Could a mini alt season be around the corner? Well, it looks like decision time is coming September, October for altcoins as they get squeezed closer and closer in this wedge. There will be a break before long. We have right now alt seasons riding this trend right here, and similar to what happened back in 2020, it rode the mid-trend line until eventually broke out of there, found support, and then took off. Well, we have the potential for a breakout. Should we break above, things could look very, very exciting for altcoins in the days to weeks to come. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.